Okay, I cooked meatloaf today. Guys, welcome to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. I cooked a mini meatloaf and I cooked a regular meatloaf. And it turned out really great. The recipe for this meatloaf will be on Ella Dishes It Out. So please look for this recipe. I'll put the link in the description. But first, let's go ahead and just slice into this mini meatloaf. My granddaughter wants to taste it. That looks so good, doesn't it? That looks good. Yes, it does. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Ella Dishes It Out. Bon appetit. Doesn't that look delicious? Okay.
We may eat.
Bon appetit.
We may eat.
We will eat.
We may eat.
We may eat. Okay.
Have a nice day. Bye.